Okay, for problem number 7, I'm going to be using integration by parts as indicated. They also go on to say it's not about the natural log of the absolute value of u where appropriate. And so let's take a look. I'm going to the whiteboard. It's a little bit longer than I could fit over here. I'm going to rewrite the integration and talk about doing integration by parts. Whoops, you mean to do that. So we're going to have x times secant, that's secant squared 7x dx. Now let's just talk about the parts. I'm going to say u equals x. That forces me to select dv equals secant squared 7x dx. Now, by the way, it could be a bad choice, but the bottom line is I can find the antiderivative of secant, which is tangent. But when you differentiate that, you get secant squared 7x times 7, so I have to divide by 7. So that's not bad. What do you get over here? Let's see. du would equal dx. All right, let's see if we can put that down now. So I'm using this, integration by parts. And what do you get? Let's say uv. So you get x times the tangent of 7x over 7. That's uv minus v. That's tangent 7x. I'm going to take the 1/7 on the outside. Let's see, I lost my track there. So it's v du. Oh, I got this over here. My next recommendation to you is to, let's see what the recommendation is going to be, is to rewrite the tangent in terms of sines and cosines. Let's write that down. By what I mean that in the integration, not what I just completed. Like I wouldn't rewrite this again. I mean, I might have to later, but right now, I'm not worried about that. I'm worried about integrating. And what would you get? You get sine 7x over cosine 7x. You know what? I made a mistake and I just saw it. It's dx. Okay. What am I doing now? I'm going to use u substitution now. So u equals the cosine, and this is for the integration, 7x. du is going to be, let's see, minus 7 sine 7x dx. All right. I'm looking pretty good. Let's write this over again. X tan 7x over 7. I'm going to write this as plus because I want to bring the minus on the inside. And I give it 1 over 49. Minus 7 times sine 7x cosine 7x dx. Before I go on, you really should look at this and say, did I really write the same thing down? Well, if you were to look at, minus 7, whoops, sorry about that. If you were to look at the minus 7 over the plus 49, you're getting, minus 1/7. So that's fine. Now, you may wonder why I've done that. The reason I did that is I need this. It's right over here. And that's equal to du. So I want to write that down. X tan 7x over 7 plus 1 over 49 star, indicating I'm changing variables now. This is going to be 1 du. And what's cosine of 7x? It's just u. I'm going to integrate now. What's the antiderivative of 1 over ln u? Ln, absolute value of u. What's u? U is cosine 7x plus c. Now, granted, I'm always saying that mistakes happen. I make mistakes, you make mistakes, everyone makes mistakes. It's nice to have a vetted key, and hopefully this key is a good key. Let's take a look at it. I'm looking at my notes now. Am I seeing this? I am. Am I seeing this? I am. Am I seeing this? I am. And I'm seeing the C. We're good to go to the next question. Thank you.